emergency for the city of New Orleans. The National Weather Service in New Orleans has issued a flash flood warning for north central Jefferson Parish in southeastern Louisiana, southwestern Orleans Parish in southeastern Louisiana, west central St. Bernard Parish in southeastern Louisiana, until 2 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 10:55 a.m. Central Daylight Time, Emergency Management reported numerous roads in and around New Orleans are underwater and impassable. Additional rainfall is expected. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. This is a flash flood emergency for the city of New Orleans. This is a particularly dangerous situation. Seek higher ground now. Hazard: life-threatening flash flooding. Thunderstorms producing flash flooding. Source: Emergency Management reported. Impact: this is a particularly dangerous situation. Seek higher ground now. Life-threatening flash: small creeks and streams, urban water crossings, small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets and underpasses. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include New Orleans, Chalmette, East New Orleans, West Wego, Air B, Tarrytown, Merrill and Lakefront Airport. This includes the following streams and drainages: Mississippi River. Move to higher ground now. This is an extremely dangerous and life-threatening situation. Do not attempt to travel unless you are fleeing an area subject to flooding or under an evacuation order. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Repeating, a flash flood warning has been issued until 2 p.m. Central Daylight Time for the following parishes in Louisiana: Jefferson,